Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit a listing on Vinted. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Vinted, just continue using your Apple account. You can use your Google account or even Apple. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, editing a listing on Vinted can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, if you have any changes to the item's description, condition, or pricing, editing the listing ensures that the information is accurate and up to date. Of course, it avoids any misunderstandings or disputes with potential buyers. Now, editing allows sellers to refine the title and description of the listing to improve search visibility and attract more potential buyers. Adding relevant keywords or details can make the listing more appealing and increase its chances of being discovered. Now, for us to be able to edit our product here in Vinted, I need you to go to your profile icon. Now, I need you to go to your profile icon at the top right corner and click on the profile option. And from here, you would be able to see the listings that you wanted to edit. All right. Now, say for example, you wanted to refine the title and description of the listing to improve the search visibility. Just click on the specific listing that you wanted. Say, for example, this one, it's a draft and I wanted to finish editing it. And from here, sellers may choose to edit the listing to adjust the pricing. Say, for example, I'm not happy with the $50. I'm going to be using 100 for now, or 100. And I need to put some description right here. Okay. Say, for example, I'm going to put something like this one and I need to upload a new photo, right? Now here, the photo is being uploaded, all right? Now, once I'm happy with it, all I have to do is click on save option, right? You can click it save draft or you can upload it. It's up to you. But for now, I'm going to save it as a draft. Now, if by any chance you are having problem editing a listing on Vinted, just go here at the help center and choose the topic that best relates on your situation. And from here, you would be able to talk to, if you able to talk to an agent, tell them that you're having problems editing a listing on Vinted. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next one.